Hello everyone on Instagram. Welcome to my shop, however small it may be. I have to start somewhere. So here's my planer, Pride and Joy. Here's the assembly table I just finished. Here's my Cobalt 15 amp 10-inch table saw. Works like a champ. The miter saw stand. I just used just a workbench, some leftover countertop, and the Hitachi, which works awesome. Doesn't slide, but it's a 12-inch. Works great. And then with this, I use the 2x4 Basics setup here. So, yeah. And then I have my jaw horse, which works awesome. All right. That's it. Y'all take care.